Fashala rubber swnamkhorni tino Hasteo pragya bhaban kaisa koklam panda songsajak aro manjak tang bedekni senior secretary te kubuni adong rok Hasteo rubber swnamkhorni rangthongno naharwino kwbangma project rokno chengsai rijak hani sakha senior secretary Abhijit Chandra.
Growth of rubber industry in coming days in Tripura.
The growth is really positive because we have been doing a lot of work in rubber. The Honorable CM's mission is also working on it. We are coming out with a new mini mission very soon. And there has been a lot of talk in terms of both productivity enhancement as well as having some new down trickle industries in various areas of rubber sectors.
So you have said 95% rubber Tripura government is importing from.
No, I didn't say 95% Tripura government is importing. I'm saying India is importing 95% of rubber and the entire country's production is 5%, in which we are number 2. So most of the rubber comes from Malaysia and countries from the East Asian countries. So by enhancing production, we are only talking about right now 5% of the so-called total demand which is there in India.
So as there is already a ban imposed in the export of rubber in Bangladesh, so how the Tripura government will take up this issue?
We have already written to the government of Bangladesh to kindly see that like in Benopol, Petropol, they are allowing the rubber imports to come in there. The same should be allowed in at least Agartala Akhora checkpost, if not in other checkposts that are there. At least one checkpost in our state we have requested. The same thing has also come with a joint statement between the two premiers who have recently met. Bangladesh premier had come and visited India, and in the joint statement also they have said that they will take up this issue.